Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the camera and confirming core settings so recording is reliable. First, insert a charged battery and a U3 or V30 card. This prevents dropped frames. Once done, attach your lens and flip the mount until it locks. Make sure the AF/MF switch matches how you want to operate. Then power on, set date and time to keep files organized, and open the recording menu to select 4K and your target frame rate, 24 for cinematic, 30 for general, 60 for smooth motion. Now dial in exposure and image control to exploit 4K detail. You should set ISO at the sensor's native level to retain dynamic range, then pick shutter speed using the 180 degrees shutter rule relative to your frame rate for natural motion. Adjust aperture for depth of field. Next, select a color profile, log when you plan to grade, rec. 709 for direct delivery, because this affects highlight retention and latitude. Finally, engage focus peaking and zebras. Use manual focus for critical shots to ensure pixel finish by stabilizing and capturing clean footage, then protecting files. You should enable in-body stabilization or mount to a gimbal. For long lenses, use a tripod to avoid micro jitter. Record a short test clip first, then check the histogram and waveform to confirm exposure before rolling full takes. After shooting, offload cards to 2 drives and transcode if necessary for editing. If you encounter stuttering, check card speed and bitrate. If overheating occurs, reduce codec or enable cooling breaks to prevent shutdowns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.